Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Today's income pick, Genco Shipping and Trading Limited, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol GNK, has been benefiting from increased demand for dry bulk carriers and in particular an interest in the larger Cape-size vehicles. And that momentum is expected to continue with shipments of iron ore and coal, the main cargoes for Cape-size, to remain robust. Demand for medium-sized, supermax, and ultramax vessels is also buoyant. This is in large part due to ongoing demand for dry bulk commodities from China. China's steel production in 2023 was same level as 2022, while demand for aluminum remains robust due to ongoing growth of industries related to electric vehicles and renewable energy. The demand for steaming coal, which is mainly used as fuel for power generation in India and China, also remains strong. The global demand for steaming coal is also heating up due to climbing energy prices, which are being juiced by geopolitical tensions. All of this is good news for Genco Shipping and Trading Limited. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Genco is a New York-based marine shipping company, and it's actually the largest U.S.-based dry bulk ship owner with 43 modern vessels, and of those, 18 are Cape-size. The company ships both major commodities, which include iron ore and coal, and minor bulk, which includes grains, cement, and fertilizers across all major worldwide shipping routes. Now, to further enhance its operations, the company announced a new comprehensive value strategy back in April 2019. It prioritizes low financing leverage and three key tenets, including, and this is good for income investors, pay sustained dividends across all market cycles, further reduce debt, and grow the fleet. Now, since then, the company has declared 18 consecutive quarterly dividends. Now, over this period, it has paid cumulative dividends of $5.15 per share, or 25% of the current share price. It's also lowered its outstanding debt by 55%, or $250 million. And it has invested $520 million in fleet expansion and modernization over the last 5 years, adding 17 modern eco vessels to its fleet.
It reported a strong fourth quarter results.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, Genco reported net income of $4.9 million, or 11 cents per share. Adjusted net income was $18.6 million, or 43 cents per share. Now, the average time charter equivalent, or TCE rate, was $17,373 per day. Now, it's down slightly from $19,330 per day in the fourth quarter of 2022. Now, during the fourth quarter, the company acquired 2 Cape-size vessels for $86.1 million. And it also agreed to sell 3 older Cape-size vessels for $56 million. Going forward, at the time the company released its financial results, it had estimated TCE rates for the first quarter of 2024, which just ended, of $18,724, and that covered 81% of its fleet available days. That's at the time.
And you had mentioned earlier as well that the company declared 18 consecutive quarterly payout. Expand a little bit more on that.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter of 2023, Genco declared a dividend of 41 cents per share, or 86 cents on an annual basis, for a current yield of 4.16%. Because of the company's new dividend policy, which is comprised of operating cash flow minus capital expenditures, debt repayment, and additional cash reserves, the payout will fluctuate quarter to quarter, but the overall payment remains frothy, though. Over the last 18 quarters, is paid out, as we just said, at $5.15 per share, or 25% of its share price.
GNK stock has seen a solid move to the upside so far in 2024. It's up 28%.
Yeah, at Income Investors, we tend to look for stocks with high dividend yields of at least 5%, but we're willing to make an exception if the underlying share price is doing exceptionally well, and GNK stock is doing just that. It's actually up, as of this recording, 28% over the last 3 months, 43% over the last 6 months, 25% year to date, and 28% over the last 12 months. And as a point of interest, GNK stock is also up around, or approximately 45% since we last looked at it back in July of 2023.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Genco Shipping and Trading Limited continues to be a great marine shipping stock with diversified fleet, a strong cash flow position, reliable high-yield dividend, and low debt, and lowest cash flow break-even rate among U.S.-listed marine dry bulk shippers. Over the last number of years, it has further executed on all 3 pillars of its comprehensive value strategy focused on dividends, deleveraging, and growth. It declared its 18th consecutive dividend, lowered debt by 55%, and reduces cash flow break-even rate to a lowest level in its peers group. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.